Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Chef Briton Kenya Baking. And guys, we are going to be baking vanilla cake. And this is a very simple recipe which you can make at the comfort of your home. Now this is 500 grams of all-purpose flour. Make sure you are using all-purpose flour. And guys, next step you're going to see is 2 tablespoons of baking powder. And make sure you are making it flat on the tablespoon. As you see my tablespoon, I'm putting it flat. Then make sure you're mixing well using a whisk. Mix it all well. Now let's go to the wet ingredients. I'm going to put 350 grams of sugar, and that you can see me trying to level it to 350 grams. And next is after this is the margarine. Make sure also the margarine is 350 grams, and make sure you're using the Prestige. Prestige is very good for baking, or butter. You can use anything you want, but I prefer the Prestige. And also you can see me making sure it is 350 grams. Yeah guys, and it was 350 flat. Now we using a hand mixer. We mix it very well, the margarine and the sugar. Make sure mixing it very well to incorporate everything in. Then here guys, make sure following the steps. I first put 1 egg, then I broke another egg. First 2 eggs mix. I'm going to see it clearly here. I'm going to be doing it here clearly. 2 eggs, I put 2 eggs, then mix. After here 2 eggs again, mix. That is 1. Then we put the second one, mix. Do that to all the 8 eggs you have. We are going to be using 8 eggs, so meaning this process you're going to do it about 4 times, because it is two mix. Make sure you're doing this to all the 8 eggs. Of course I did not record I'm doing all the 8 eggs because this video will be long. After making that, you put your the flour that you mix with the baking powder half by half. First to start the first half, then mix it all in. Make sure mixing it all in. Remember that this cake I'm going to be baking it for my friend, because her daughter has a birthday party and she requested me to do it for her. So make sure you watch till the end, because I have another surprise. You'll see how it became. I put the other half inside the mixture, and I'm making sure this mixture is well mixed. Very well mixed. You're going to see it now. This is the vanilla extract. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract, full tablespoons of vanilla extract. Make sure you're following these steps very clearly. 2 tablespoons as I've put it there. And then I'm going to incorporate it in with the hand mixer. See it well. I take the hand mixer and mix this well until it becomes it mixes well, very well. Then we come to the oven. We preheat our oven at 180 degrees and then put about 45 minutes. Make sure you're putting 45 minutes inside the. Then this is I already greased my pan with about a little butter and flour, and make sure you're greasing it well so that your cake cannot stick on the pan. Then this, I'm putting all these of the mixture on the pan. Then I'm going to be leveling it very well, and then about after 10 minutes you put it in the preheated oven, sorry. Then guys, wait it for about 1 hour to 1 hour 10 minutes. And now look at this, after about 45 minutes, well cooked. And now guys, if you want to know if it is well cooked, make sure dipping anything clean, and when it comes out clean, know that it is well baked. So guys, this is me removing it from the pan. Make sure you're using, because this is very hot. The pan is very hot. Yeah guys, you can see the cake there.